video. So let's begin with the conceptual questions unsolved. Answer 1. Gonzalo, the old courtier, hoped that the ship will not sink. He was very annoyed by the boatswain and wanted him to be hanged. When the boatswain doesn't die of drowning, it's pretty clear that the ship will not sink in the sea. Answer 2. Why does the boatswain gets angry at the royal passengers? Answer 2. Boatswain gets angry at the royal passengers because they start shouting orders at boatswain who is trying his best to save the ship. The boatswain is pretty annoyed by their interference in his work. Answer 3. Sebastian and Antonio curse the boatswain in his labors, masking their fears with profanity. Antonio called him a dog and a son of a harlot. He wished that he should be hanged. Answer 4. Antonio cursed the boatswain by saying that he should be hanged. He called boatswain a dog, son of a harlot, and an impudent noisemaker. Answer 5. Gonzalo says these lines meaning that he would like to die on a dry land rather on the ocean. He means that he don't want to die and asks God to provide him only an act of dry land in exchange of thousand furlongs of sea. Answer 6. The boatswain warned the passengers not to interfere in their work by asking them to go back to below deck. Gonzalo reminds boatswain that he is speaking to King, but he points out that if King has so much power, he should use it to calm the storm. Answer 7. Gonzalo means by these lines that the boatswain will not drown even if the ship were no stronger than a nutshell and as leaky as an unstanched bench. Now we are going to comprehension passage unsolved. Answer 1. Part 1st. Boatswain says these words to Antonio. Boatswain means by the line that Antonio is interfering in their work and indirectly they are helping the storm to work to wreck the ship. Answer 2nd. The boatswain is angry with the person spoken to because they are continuously shouting orders on him and as a result he cannot do his work properly. Third part. Boatswain says this line. He says this when Gonzalo tells him to speak politely to the king. He means by the line that stormy winds will not whether there is a king on board. Answer 4th. Boatswain ridicule Gonzalo when he tells him that very important persons are on board by saying that stormy winds will not take care whether there is a king on board. Fifth part. The opinion of the boatswain we form from the above extract is that he is very much annoyed by these royal passengers and starts shouting on them. Sixth part. Mar means hinder, assist means helps, roarers means winds and thunders. Second answer. First part. Antonio blames boatswain for the present dangerous situation. Antonio calls boatswain as white-chapped rascal because he was shouting on all passengers. Second part. He cursed the white-chapped rascal by saying that you were to lie drowned till your dead body has been washed 10 times by the ebb and flow of the tide. Third part. Gonzalo says that boatswain is destined to die by hanging even if every drop of water in the sea swears to the contrary and the sea opens its mouth as wide as possible. Fourth part. We can think that Antonio is now very angry on the crew member and blames them for this tragedy. We can say that Antonio is now much worried of his life and abuses the boatsman for shouting on them. Fifth part. Gonzalo is now worried of his life and now he believes that they all will be drowned. As a result, Gonzalo wished that he wanted to buy an acre of dry land in exchange of 1000 furlongs of sea. Sixth part. Cheated means going to die. Swear means promise. Glut means swallow. Now we are going to long answer question unsolved. Question 1. How is Gonzalo, the old courtier, different from other courtiers in his reaction to the furious storm at sea? Answer 1. Gonzalo, the old courtier, is different from other courtiers in his reaction to the furious storm at sea. Though he is frightened of the situation, he balances his mind by the numerous remarks. He makes fun of the boatswain by saying that boatswain is not likely to be drowned because he is destined to be hanged. He later makes further humorous remarks, double quotes, but I would fain die a dry death, double quotes closed. This shows his positivity even in the most frightened situation. He says that since boatswain is to be hanged and with him abroad on the ship, nobody will be drowned. When there is no hope of survival, he says that he is ready to give 1,000 furlongs of sea in exchange of 1 acre of land. This proves that when mariners give up their hope, the courtiers become hopeless, while Gonzalo maintains the balance of his mind by his remarks and shows the sign of survival, positivity, and politeness. Now, question 2. Comment on the dramatic significance of the opening scene of the play. Answer 2. The opening scene of the play has the dramatic significance. The scene begins with a furious storm on the sea where the ship is sailing. The tempest created in the opening scene makes further advancement of the play. The shipwreck after the furious storm brings courtiers on the island in groups where they have to answer for their misdeeds. In reality, the tempest in the opening scene is created by Prospero with the help of Ariel. Moreover, the frightened situation of the opening scene brings suspense and curiosity among readers. The scene also introduces important characters of the play like Antonio, Alonso, Ferdinand, Sebastian, Gonzalo, etc. The opening scene is the center of the play and all the acts are linked to it. The furious storm at the sea makes royal passengers horrified. The end of the opening scene also makes readers to think about what happened to the ship and passengers abroad on the ship. I hope you will like the video and subscribe us also. Thanks.